So just as some overview about this project in particular, my wife and I, we don't typically store a lot of canned goods or a lot of shelf-stable material. We typically get a lot of fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, that kind of a thing. But given the circumstances, we thought it'd be wise to get about a week's worth of soups, beans, stocks, flour, that kind of issue. That we needed a good way of keeping track of both our canned goods, which we didn't want to waste, as well as any other incoming, food goods and such like that. So while the kitchen was still in kind of its original configuration, before we do any remodeling, we thought it might be good to recycle some old plywood scraps that I have, as well as these 2 glass panes we found that were recycled off of something that the previous owner of the house had stored in the barn. And this way we had a good method of both having a message board for groceries, as well as kind of what's in stock or possibly might be going bad soon itemized list for the pantry and refrigerator. So this was just a really quick project to help us manage our kitchen and general groceries. And please forgive the still image privacy screen I put up towards the end of the video. I didn't realize that there's some personal information showing towards the end, but I really appreciate that. I hope that makes sense, and thanks for watching.